Recruiting and onboarding applications are just made for cloud deployment. They have public-facing websites integrated with your back-end systems. There are often external providers that have continually changing interfaces, and highly variable volumes often lead to excess server capacity that sits unused most of the time. These HR applications are specialised, well-defined and well-bounded, and easy to package for the cloud. New hires can be provided with access to a secure onboarding portal that enables them to complete forms and view policies and procedures before they have access to your intranet. IT is often focused on their other business applications and don't have the time or bandwidth to build these HR applications in-house. Sometimes we find that privacy is a consideration. Your IT personnel do not have access to any of the sensitive data that is stored on our cloud servers. Another key technology is social networking. Competition for the best candidates is strong, and social networking is a powerful and cost-effective way of reaching them, particularly those passive candidates who see your vacancies when they're looking for something else. And you can make it easier for your staff and recruiters to forward your vacancies to their friends and colleagues. But it's important to have more than just a static web page advertising your brand. Best practice is to have a regular feed of the most relevant jobs and then provide candidates with an effective online application process. And the whole process needs to be integrated due to the volumes and risk of error. You don't want to be having your staff posting jobs to Facebook and Twitter manually. Mobility is important because it allows you to reach candidates when they have the time and privacy to consider your vacancies. You want to reach them when they're on the train, when they're at the airport, when they're starting to think about their next role. We're not yet seeing many applications via mobile devices because it's too clumsy to enter your resume or your details through a mobile device. But we're seeing a lot of recording of information for candidates to come back to. That may change in the future though, with the advent of integration to online resume services, making it easier to apply online and just reference your resume stored elsewhere. Hiring managers are also seeking mobility solutions. They want to be able to access candidate information, approve roles, approve hires, wherever and whenever they have time to do that. But it's not just about convenience. It's about reducing your time to hire, which is a key metric in making you competitive with the other opportunities that your candidates are also considering. Which brings me to business intelligence and dashboards. Talent acquisition is about finding the best candidates to grow your business. Business intelligence allows you to find the key drivers that will help people be successful in your business and find more of them. It will help you identify the sources of those candidates and also those sources that deliver many candidates that are ultimately unsuccessful, thus wasting everybody's time. It will also identify any bottlenecks in the process and allow you to eliminate those, reducing your time to hire, which we know is a critical measure for making you competitive against the alternatives that your candidates are considering. Dashboards communicate whether the organisation is following these best practices and allow you to make tweaks and adjustments as necessary throughout the process. And as more stakeholders become involved in the talent acquisition process, it's becoming more important to present that visually and timely so that everybody understands their role in the process.